Good morning, my dear students. Myself Navneet Kaur. I am going to teach you English language in your 5th class. And today we are going to start with a new topic, that is essay writing. First of all, I am going to tell you what is an essay, the meaning of an essay. Essay is an written composition where you express a specific idea. Means written composition where you express specific idea and then support that idea with the facts, statements, analysis and explanations. Means first we select one idea, write on it by supporting that topic with facts, statements, analysis and explanation. While we have to write essay, we keep in mind that essay consists of 3 parts: an introduction, body and conclusion. 3 parts should be there in essay. In introduction, we introduce the reader to the idea that the essay will address. First paragraph should be of the introduction related to that particular topic. Second one, body of the essay. In body, we have to explain, describe and argue about the topic we have chosen. Firstly, we explain that particular topic, describe that particular topic and express our views in for or against that particular topic. And third part, that is conclusion. In conclusion, we should restate our thesis statement using different wordings than employed in your introduction. We have to restate our whole thesis but use the words different, rather use that one used in the introduction, use different wordings there in the conclusion. So keep this thing in your mind while writing an essay. Is it clear to you? Yes. Try to write essay first as your own and second then copy from screen. So in your syllabus, the essay is importance of newspaper. As all of you know that newspaper is one of the most important means of communication in the world. There are newspapers in almost every language. Newspapers have helped to spread knowledge and information as we need to know what is happening around us. Means newspaper is one of the most important means of communication in the world. It is available for us in all languages. It spread the information whatever we need, that what happens all around us. Second paragraph, newspapers are easily available in the remote regions as well. It is also available in villages or rural areas. It created a positive impact on society. It helps people to become aware of current affairs and stay curious about them. Newspapers give us news, views, reviews and previews. Please write essay on your copy side by side. Third paragraph. Moreover, the word news is interpreted as north, east, west and south. Word news means N for north, E for east, W for west and S for south. It means that newspaper provide us with information and news regarding different subjects from all the directions. Means we get information and news on all subjects, different subjects, but from all directions. Further, fourth paragraph, newspapers also give us articles on all kinds of topics. There are so many articles in the newspaper on different topics such as political, social, economic, health. So many things are there in newspaper. Children can enjoy the cartoon columns in newspaper. Children can send their drawings also and be published in the newspaper. Further, their drawings published in the newspaper in order to motivate the children. So newspapers are very useful in our society. So this is your essay. Please write it on your copy in neat and clean handwriting. This is the only one essay in your first term. Revise it, learn it, write it on your copy. If you have any problem in any word, paragraph, line, you have to ask me. Thank you.